Thank you for your purchase of Funride Kids Ride On. This product comes with attractive color options, steering wheel, musical head with sturdy plastic body. You need to follow these steps in order to assemble the product. You will also need a screwdriver and piler to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body. Now, main body lock to platform from front side. Then, main body lock to platform from back side. In the next step, use nut to lock main body to platform. Step 5. Place the handle to the main body on the front fork handle lock hand press. Now, place backrest and prantail to main body. Then, backrest and parental handle lock to main body with help of plastic nut. In the last step, fit the music by rotating it 180 degrees over the string. Your Funride plush is now ready to use.